equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. First, power down your Dell XPS and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It is typically situated near the center of the device. You will see a label on the battery that includes the battery code. This code is essential for identifying the correct replacement if needed. If you're unsure about interpreting the code, don't hesitate to contact us for help. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust, particularly around the fan and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. After you've noted the battery code, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are securely in place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once everything is back in place, power on your Dell XPS and check that everything is functioning correctly. Finally, if you need a replacement battery, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance and checks like this can prolong the life of your laptop, so make it a habit to check your battery code periodically. This simple process can save you time and money in the long run, keeping your Dell XPS running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.